In an age revolutionized by AI and chatbots, meet Bryce Houston, the tech enthusiast behind Houston Solutions. From Kelowna, British Columbia, Bryce's passion for technology is pushing him to lead in the tech industry. Bryce Houston's belief in the potential of chatbots to deliver immense value to businesses is nothing short of revolutionary, especially in the real estate industry. Imagine this, chatbots that not only gather data, but also qualify leads for real estate agents. They manage customer interactions, schedule property viewings, and fundamentally serve as virtual sales representatives for property listings. That's the innovative reality brought to you by Houston Solutions. The proof, as they say, is in the pudding. And in the real estate industry, the pudding is quite delicious. A case study that serves as the proof to this saying is that of a real estate agency which was once burdened the tedious task of manually processing leads. This was until Bryce stepped in and introduced them to Houston's innovative chatbots. The impact was remarkable. The agency witnessed revolutionary transformation with streamlined lead handling, efficient scheduling of property viewings, and more importantly, a notable increase in their return on investment. But the versatility of Houston's chatbots doesn't stop at real estate. The application of these AI-driven wonders extends beyond real estate to dealerships, contractors, and other industries. Furthermore, in the realm of real estate, chatbots have proven to be a game-changer for lead generation and process automation. Bryce Houston's experience at Houston Solutions highlights the power of technology and vision. Chatbots, saving time and generating revenue, have become key to business growth. Experience the future now with Houston Solutions. Utilize AI and chatbots to elevate your business. Reach out to Bryce Houston via email at brycehouston.ai@gmail.com, phone at 250-320-7012, or alternatively visit brycehouston.com.